Scene script. Have you ever wondered how the art of Japanese bonsai captures the beauty of nature in miniature form? This unique art form has roots that reach back over 1,000 years, intertwining with the culture and history of Japan. Bonsai, which translates to planted in a container, is more than just a hobby or pastime. It's a form of artistic expression, a testament to the harmony between man, the soul, and nature. The journey of creating a bonsai involves a series of careful, deliberate techniques. It begins with the selection of a suitable tree or shrub, which is then pruned and shaped to mimic its full-sized counterparts in nature. Root reduction and potting in a shallow container limit the tree's growth, keeping it miniature in size but grand in spirit. Defoliation and grafting are also employed to enhance the tree's aesthetic appeal and to maintain its health. In the world of bonsai, aesthetics play a pivotal role. Principles of proportion, asymmetry, and balance are of utmost importance. Each bonsai tree is a meticulously crafted work of art, its every curve and bend a reflection of the artist's vision. There are several types of bonsai, each unique in its style and representation. The formal upright, or chokan style, for instance, is characterized by a straight upright trunk, emulating the grandeur of a tall, mature tree. The cascade or kengai style, on the other hand, imitates a tree growing down a mountainside, its branches cascading downwards in an elegant display of nature's resilience. In Japanese culture, the bonsai is more than just a miniaturized tree. It's a symbol of the relationship between humanity and nature, encapsulating the essence of the natural world within its tiny frame. It's an art that invites contemplation, not just of the tree, but of oneself and one's place within the universe. The art of bonsai is not merely about creating a miniature tree, but capturing the essence of nature within a small space, a testament to the skill and patience of the artist. It's an art that calls for contemplation, not only of the tree but of oneself. Before we conclude, a quick reminder. Please like, share, and subscribe for more nature wonders. Thank you.